In new quizzes, you can offer extended time and extra attempts. Simply go into the build mode for your quiz. Select the Moderate button at the top. Locate the student you wish to moderate and select the Moderate button at the far right. This will allow you to set extra attempts or adjust time. If you allow additional time, you can determine the amount of time yourself. Or you can remove a time limit. If you wish to allow the system to calculate time for you, click the pencil beside the time multiplier. Select the time multiplier option if it's not already selected, and then choose the time multiplier that you need. This should be in your letter from DSS. Once the students have completed the assessment, you'll be able to see their attempts and their times. Return to the main page, and you're done. We hope this helps you with extra attempts and additional time.